No, I'm joking. Ladies and gentlemen, and most importantly to my parents, thank you very much for coming here today. We were just thinking amongst the four of us, how a year ago this place would have been packed and even more packed and more packed and more packed. But we prefer this because these are the real ones. And so thank you very much for being here with us today. To my parents, 50 years. Just so the audience knows that this is just the pre-show. We are negotiating with them to do a full remarriage in December. So if you can encourage them, we will have that party. Mom, you have always been there for us. And I speak on behalf of not just the children you have on this stage, the ones you gave birth to, but all your children. You have changed a country. You have changed a generation. Without you, Mom, the fistula rates would still be very high. Without you, the teenage pregnancy rates would be even higher. Without you, men would be talking to these young women anyhow. Without you, Mom, the number of children who are born stunted would be higher. And so we want to tell you that we appreciate you. Because without you, Mom, many of us, especially the girls, but all the fellows too, would be walking with our feet, looking at our feet. But because of you, we walk in this town with our heads held high because we are looking up to you. We want to tell you that we thank you and we love you for standing with us, for always supporting us. And so the four of us here said it's our turn to support you. And we know how precious the Odinga library is to you. And so we have donated this check of 1 million Kenya shillings to the Odinga library. So let me give it to my sister. Anything? No. So give that a bigger clap. This is a big thing. So Mom, we love you. We'll always be there for you. Thank you for being here with us. And thank you for being here for our dad. We couldn't do this without you. So thank you so much and happy anniversary. Just so you know, 50th anniversary is next week on the 1st of September.